Document intelligence refers to techniques that automatically read, understand, and analyze business documents. This is a challenging task due to the diversity of formats, poor quality of scanned images, and the complexity of templates. But why is document intelligence necessary? Data is the new gold, yet over 80% of the world's data is unstructured. Unstructured data lacks a predefined model, making it hard to transfer to spreadsheets or databases without a data lake. This includes emails, documents, presentations, contracts, invoices, receipts, custom forms, images, videos, and many more. Think about it. Most of the data we capture is unstructured. Let's look at some real world business scenarios. Companies manually store large volumes of legal documents in the cloud for compliance and audits. Organizations manually extract information from documents for financial, medical, or statistical analysis. Businesses manually record invoices and receipts into financial systems. Companies process numerous employee expense reports regularly. Organizations manually inspect passports and ID cards for KYC compliance and account management. Businesses review tax forms to assess customer compliance and financial standing. Firms manually encode customized forms like surveys and applications for record keeping and processing. In each case, the goal is to digitally store documents, extract key data for search, computations, and analysis, prepare the data for AI insights. Efficient document processing is essential to handle this unstructured data, and document intelligence is the solution. Azure AI Document Intelligence is a cloud-based Azure AI service that helps you build applications to process documents efficiently. It's vital for automating data extraction, enhancing search, and supporting document-based AI. This service uses machine learning to extract key information such as text, tables, and key value pairs. It offers several powerful features. The read model extracts printed and handwritten text from PDFs, scanned images, and files like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It's the foundation of other models and operates at a higher resolution than Azure AI Vision. The layout model builds on the read model and can identify document structure like tables and headings. It also supports Markdown extraction for generative AI use cases, ensuring the document structure remains intact for large language models. Scenario-specific models are also available. These models extract key details from common documents such as invoices, receipts, tax forms, credit cards, ID cards, and many more. For example, the receipt model pulls merchant info, total amount, and date regardless of the format or structure of a receipt. And here are all of the scenario-specific models in Microsoft's website. Custom models are needed when pre-built models don't meet your needs. Custom models can handle unique business documents. They also support complex scenarios such as documents containing multiple formats. Compose models handle files containing documents of different types, like a single file with multiple purchase orders. Classification models identify and split files with multiple document types, such as application forms paired with tax and ID documents. Both Azure AI Vision and Azure AI Document Intelligence have OCR capabilities. But if you need more than text, Azure AI Document Intelligence provides deeper insights into document structure and content. The service is accessible via the Azure AI Document Intelligence resource or through the multi-purpose Azure AI services. For ease of use, it includes a no-code studio and supports multiple programming languages via APIs and client libraries. Content moderation involves monitoring and managing user-generated content on digital platforms to ensure it follows guidelines, regulations, and ethical standards. Azure AI Content Safety is an AI service designed to detect harmful user-generated and AI-generated content in apps and services. It's ideal for user prompts submitted to generative AI services and the resulting content. Online marketplaces that moderate product catalogs and user-generated content. Gaming companies that manage game artifacts and chat rooms. Social messaging platforms to moderate images and text from users. Enterprise media companies that centralize content moderation. And K-12 education providers to filter out inappropriate content for students and educators. Azure AI Content Safety has the following service features. Analyze text scans for sexual content, violence, hate, and self-harm with multi-level severity assessments. Analyze image scans images for the same categories and severity levels as text. For category and severity definitions, you may visit this website. Please note, some examples of harmful content may be disturbing. Prompt Shield safeguard against user input attacks on large language models. Prompt Shields for user prompts detects prompt injection attacks that try to exploit system vulnerabilities. Prompt Shields for documents prevents attacks embedding hidden instructions in external documents. More details on Prompt Shields can be found here. Azure AI Content Safety also has the following additional services. Groundedness detection ensures LLM responses are based on provided source materials. Protected material detection scans AI-generated text for copyrighted or known materials. Finally, custom categories allows the creation of tailored moderation filters. You may find more information with the following links in this slide. Azure AI Content Safety is an AI service designed to detect and moderate harmful content in both user-generated and AI-generated content across various platforms, ensuring compliance with guidelines and ethical standards. Knowledge mining refers to the practice of applying AI to understand and explore vast amounts of information to retrieve answers to pressing business questions. It goes beyond simple search and retrieval, as it helps uncover insights, patterns, and relationships within data. Before the advent of knowledge mining, scanned documents had to be manually encoded for proper storage and search. Human operators had to manually encode the metadata, such as document titles, author names, publication dates, keywords, and other relevant information. This process was time-consuming and prone to errors. Document management systems relied on this metadata for search, limiting users to searching based on manually entered information, which affected search effectiveness. In addition, those systems had no capability to get insights and patterns from the data stored. Knowledge mining removes the need for manual encoding by using different AI technologies to automate and gain insights faster from content that would otherwise remain untapped. Examples of these AI technologies are computer vision to extract information from image and video data, AI speech recognition to extract information from audio files, natural language processing to analyze text data, extract keywords and entities, analyze sentiments, and more. Document intelligence to extract information from business documents. Knowledge mining solutions are typically search solutions that contain all your content. These solutions typically use the following processes and elements. Data source stores your original data, such as PDFs, videos, images, and audio files. AI technologies extract additional insights from the original data. These would be the AI technologies such as computer vision, speech recognition, NLP, and document intelligence. Knowledge stores are optional storage areas that store the insights extracted from the AI technologies you use. Search Index is the repository of all your searchable content. Indexer automates the processing of data from the data source all the way to the index. The indexer would automate the following processes when creating the search index. Document cracking is a process of the indexer to open files and extract content from the data source. Enrichment is the process of using different AI technologies to extract additional insights from the cracked data. Examples of these could be captions from images, transcript summaries from audio files, abstract summaries from legal contracts, text sentiment from customer reviews, and keywords from documents. Storing enriched data to knowledge stores is an optional step in case your business needs to use the enriched data for reporting or use in other applications. Finally, indexing is the process of pushing all the enriched data to a search index. Azure AI Search offers the infrastructure and tools to build search solutions across various document types, including structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. Key capabilities include multiple data sources that allow you to connect to unstructured files in Azure Storage, tabular data in Azure SQL databases, and semi-structured data in Azure Cosmos Database. Skill sets are AI-powered processes that extract insights from data. Examples include language detection, which identifies the language of a document, key phrase extraction, which highlights main themes or topics, sentiment analysis, that assigns a sentiment score to assess positivity or negativity, entity extraction, that finds specific locations, people, organizations, or landmarks, image captions, which generates descriptions from images or text using OCR. You can also create your own custom skills to meet specific needs. Azure AI Search also has an index, which is a data repository for your search functionality. It also has an indexer that automates document processing, AI enrichment, and indexing. You can schedule the indexer to update your index regularly with new data. Azure AI Search also has search types that support keyword, vector, and semantic search for leveraging large language models, along with filter and geospatial search. It also has a built-in vectorization feature that converts data to vectors in just a few clicks without complex code. Finally, it also has autocomplete that provides suggested results to users during searches. To explore more about Azure AI Search, you can visit its documentation in Microsoft Learn. The National Bank of Greece serves over 6 million customers with more than 356 branches across Greece. Previously, they manually processed documents, requiring customers to bring or email documents, which staff would then print, scan, and send to the back office for manual data extraction. To improve this process, NBG implemented Azure AI Document Intelligence, leading to several key benefits. The solution handles 20 document categories and 60 templates, including tax forms, payroll certificates, IDs, and utility bills. Processing sped up to 700,000 pages monthly at under 0.5 seconds per page. Accuracy increased to 90%, reducing manual verification time. The system had strong Greek language recognition, quick implementation of new use cases to meet customer needs, and finally, fully digital journeys and reduced wait times through system integration. Another example, the Unum Group, a workplace benefits provider, faced inefficiencies in their customer support center, Ask Unum. Customer service representatives had to manually search through 300,000 policies to assist customers. This led to time delays and errors, undermining both employee efficiency and client satisfaction. Using Azure AI Search and Azure OpenAI, Unum saw significant improvements. A proof of concept was ready in 2 weeks, with full deployment in 4 months. The system processed 1.3 terabytes of unstructured data to create a critical business solution. Data retrieval now takes 4 to 5 seconds with 95% accuracy. Finally, over 90% of Ask Unum employees use the tool, with AI addressing 75% of contract-related questions. Finally, AXA, a leading insurance company, developed AXA Secure GPT using Azure OpenAI services to assist employees with text generation, translations, and coding. The platform also employs Azure AI Content Safety to ensure responsible use. Key benefits include content filtering, which filters both input and output for safety, and Prompt Shield, which protects the system from prompt attacks. These companies demonstrate how Azure AI can transform processes, boost efficiency, and enhance customer and employee experiences. To learn more about their success stories, you may visit the following links in this slide. The capabilities of Azure AI Document Intelligence can be demonstrated using the Document Intelligence Studio. To get started, you'll need a Document Intelligence resource. In the Azure portal, search for Document Intelligence, click Create, and assign the correct resource group, resource name, location, and pricing tier. Click Review plus Create, then click Create. Once the resource is ready, search Azure Document Intelligence Studio in Bing to find the studio. Log in with your Azure credentials and click the Settings cog icon to verify you're using the correct resource. You'll see various documents like document analysis, pre-built models, and the option to create custom models. Let's explore the layout model. You can choose from several samples. Click Run Analysis to see how the system captures elements like page header, title, section headings, paragraph, and many more. The Result tab lets developers extract data in JSON format, while the Code tab provides sample code for Python, JavaScript, or C#. Running analysis on other documents shows the system's ability to handle diverse formats, including scanned documents. The Layout Checklist sample, for instance, demonstrates its capacity to capture scanned images. While Azure AI Vision captures text in scanned images, it doesn't recognize document structure, which makes Azure AI Document Intelligence crucial for more detailed extraction. For example, the Receipts model identifies key information from retail receipts, capturing line items, merchant details, subtotal, tip, total, and so on. Running the analysis on other receipt formats proves its versatility, including the ability to process scanned receipts. These pre-built models are powerful tools for extracting structured data from both digital and scanned documents. Azure AI Content Safety can be demonstrated using the Content Safety Studio. First, you need an Azure Content Safety resource. In the Azure portal, search for Content Safety, click Create, assign the resource group, location, name, and pricing tier. Click Review plus Create, then click Create. To access the Content Safety Studio, search Azure Content Safety Studio in Bing. Sign in using your Azure credentials, and select the appropriate resource via the cog icon. Let's try the moderate text content feature. The first sentence passes all four categories. The second sentence, even with misspellings like euthanasia and bleeding, is blocked due to the violence category, as it describes harm to an animal